Here's everything you may need, but you may add more if you would like. First, we're going to start by cracking 4 eggs into a bowl, and then we're going to add salt and pepper for seasoning and milk to make them fluffy. Next, I'm going to take a fork or a spoon and beat the eggs until all the milk and yolk is conformed together. Then, I'm going to cut up all of my sausage and then set that aside until ready to cook. Next, I'm going to take my ham, roll it, and then cut it up into very small pieces and then set it aside. Next up is our onion. We're going to dice it up and set it aside until we're ready to saute our onion and tomato. Then we're going to take our tomato and dice it up and set it to the side until we are ready to cook it. We now have all of our ingredients prepped and ready to go. After our pan preheats, we're going to take our sausage and cook thoroughly until done. Next up is our ham. We're going to cook it thoroughly as well until done. We're going to let our onion and tomato saute for about 2 minutes. After our tomato and onions cooked, we're going to rinse the pan out, wash it, and get ready to cook our eggs. We're going to let the eggs cook until they're properly set. Be sure to watch your heat settings because you don't want to burn your eggs. Then we're going to use the tilt method to get all of the yolk that has not been set properly, and then flip and add our ingredients.